Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of October 30th, 2020. Here are some upcoming events. There will be a virtual holiday shop fundraiser for both campuses. Students can purchase items online for their families and friends safely and support PBMA at the same time. Items start at 35 cents and they'll be shipped to students' homes. The holiday shop will run from November 9th through November 23rd. I will send home more information as it gets closer. The elementary school will participate in a virtual Scholastic Book Fair, November 23rd through December 6th. Parents can support our school and help their child discover new books, favorite characters, complete series, and much more. There is free shipping on book purchases over $25. Nominations for the Palm Beach Post Best School in Palm Beach County have begun. PBMA won this incredible award last year. Please vote to nominate PBMA every single day. I will email parents the link to nominate PBMA again. Thank you so much for your support. It goes through November 11th. Election Day is Tuesday, November 3rd. It is a teacher workday. No school for students. Please make sure to exercise your vote. World Kindness Day is Friday, November 13th. Make sure you order our pink kindness shirt to wear to school that day. That can be purchased on our website. And Thanksgiving break is November 21st through November 29th. First graders use their creativity to produce beautiful, creative pumpkins. Let's take a look. Ms. Rodriguez's STEM class had a fun activity based on the story, Room on the Broom. The students created brooms out of 8 flexible straws and 12 inches of tape. The broom had to be able to hold at least 5 candy pumpkins, which represented the 5 characters in the story. Here are some pictures. Next week, we will have Mr. Andropont interviewing secondary students about their feelings about the Basharat Gallery pictures. I can't wait to hear all about it. Here's a message from Mr. Barone.
Hello. Last week was the 2020 National School Transportation Association School Bus Safety Week, also known as School Bus Driver Appreciation Week. Here at PBMA, our bus operators were shown lots of love and appreciation. They received those kind gestures in forms of gifts, snacks, drinks, and even gift cards. Special thanks to Mrs. Cooper, Mrs. Murphy, Ms. Bentley, Mr. Andropont, and a special thanks and shout out to Bud's Chicken and Seafood for their generous donation of a dinner to each one of our drivers. Thank you all for your continued support, love, and appreciation. It means a lot to our school bus drivers here at Palm Beach Maritime Academy. Here are some of the gifts they received during last week.
Last week was Red Ribbon Week, where we encouraged students to wear red in order to raise awareness about the dangers of drug use. Here are some pictures of the students in red. Here are the secondary shocks of the week. Thank you to the town of Lantana for virtually including our kindergarten and first grade students in the annual Read for the Record event. Our students enjoyed the story, Evelyn Del Rey is Moving Away, by Meg Medina. Students in grades kindergarten through sixth grade enjoyed the puppet show, Gizmo for President. The story encourages kids to use their voices to become leaders, and the story has a mission of cleaning up our oceans. Parents can purchase this beautiful book for their student. I will resend the flyers to parents if you're interested. And finally, here's a message from Mr. Holligan.
Hello, parents. I'm Mr. Holligan, the assistant principal here at Palm Beach Maritime. I just want to give you a friendly reminder about online testing for our virtual students. It's very important that our students complete those online assessments and they keep their cameras on so that the teachers can monitor their activity during testing. And after reviewing over our data, I've noticed that a lot of our virtual students are missing some online tests. So please communicate with your child that they get those tests done during class time. It's very important that we get those tests done in a nice and quiet environment. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Please remember to like and follow us on Facebook to stay informed of important information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. It's her 12th birthday today. Thanks for watching. And remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.